How to add payment method on Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to add a payment method on Uber Eats? If so, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have the Uber Eats app. Open it up, and after you do that, you should be on something like this here. Now, what you can do is head over to the account option on the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, there you will see a lot of different options. Here you'll find an option called wallet right on the top here. So tap on wallet. After you tap on wallet, you will see the payment method section. From there, you can add a payment method really easily. Tap on add payment, and after you tap on it, you can then choose whichever option that you want here, such as gift card. You can use Venmo, PayPal, or you can simply link your bank account as well, or simply add a credit or debit card. And after you do that, you will have added a payment method on your Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.